How to sign out of Google account. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To sign out of Google account, launch Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen. Locate Users and Account. Tap on the option. From the space, tap Google. And on this Google page, you will see all your Google accounts that has been signed in to your device. To sign out, you simply need to choose a particular Google account that you want to sign out on your Android phone. Now you will land on this account and sync section, where you have to tap three dots at top right corner. A drop down menu box appear where you will see two options, sync now or remove account. Tap remove account button and to confirm, tap remove account again. Removing this account will delete all of its messages, contacts and other data from the phone and also log out from your Android phone. In this way, you will successfully sign out of Google account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.